In this video, we will compare Wix Studio versus Squarespace. When comparing Wix Studio and Squarespace, both platforms offer powerful tools for creating websites. However, they cater to different users. Wix Studio is an advanced studio builder known for its flexibility and customization options. It offers a drag-and-drop interface that allows users to create hyper-personalized websites with ease. Even if you have limited design experience, Wix also provides a robust set of e-commerce tools, blogging and SEO, making it a versatile option for businesses and creatives. However, Wix Studio can be overwhelming for many beginners due to its amount of features and its learning curve. On the other hand, Squarespace is known for its beautiful design templates, making it a favourite amongst creative bloggers and small businesses looking for a sleek and visual appealing website. It's simpler and more user-friendly, with a focus on ease of use, while providing essential features like e-commerce, blogging and analytics. Squarespace is particularly popular for portfolio websites and small online stores. It offers elegant templates with strong visual appeal. However, it is not customizable as Wix Studio and can be more restrictive in terms of design flexibility. Overall, Wix Studio might be the better choice if you prefer greater customization, whereas Squarespace could be better if you have specific needs and are user-friendly and a beginner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.